Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for January 29 to February 4, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see Virgo, what's up with you ngayong week na ito for Virgo. Joy. Wow. So there's a source of happiness ngayong week. I feel like you are going to be happy about something. Maaring meron kang certain achievement ngayong week na to, or meron lang nagpapasaya sa'yo ngayon. May source of inspiration ka. Happiness. You also have safe travel. So yung iba sa inyo, maaring itong nagpapasaya sa inyo yung pagkakataon ninyo na makapag travel, no? Makapaglakbay. Pwedeng abroad, pwede rin tong domestic na travel, pwedeng for work o kaya para sa bakasyon. So there's good news, kaya masaya kayo. You also have destiny. Wow. So you are being led to your destiny. Maari rin ngayon mas nagiging conscious ka na sa kung ano yung gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. Parang you are also thinking about ano kaya yung life's purpose ko, ganon. So you are finding out your destiny. And for some of you, isa sa destiny ninyo is to be sa ibang lugar, or maaring ang destiny nyo is to work abroad, to live abroad, or to work sa sa travel, transportation. Oo. So let's see ano pa. What is your overall energy? So meron ditong Ace of Wands and the Hermit. So, meron ditong exciting new beginning for you. This is also your energy, Virgo, the Hermit. You are analyzing things right now. Dito sa mga nagsisimula sa'yo, sa buhay mo ngayon, maaring may challenge sa'yo ngayon na, ito, kaya mo ba tong gawin? Are you ready to take this challenge? So, with the Ace of Wands here, this is also a travel opportunity talaga for some of you. Yung iba sa inyo, pinag-iisipan nyo kung talagang ipupurso nyo to. Yung iba naman, this is a creative idea na pinag-aaralan yung maigi talaga kung ito ay ngayon yung nagagawin or kung sa susunod pa. Kasi syempre, timing is also essential to success. So, what is your challenge? Ano yung challenge? You have the King of Cups and the Two of Wands. So, major decision to. So, maaring sa ngayon, may hawak siya na na globe. So, maaring meron ka talagang decision making at this time, pero hindi ka pa makapag-decide because niisip mo yung mga, alam mo yung separation anxiety na tinatawag. Yung mga maiiwanan mo. Yung mga, dahil sa distance na yan na ita-travel mo, maaring I think yung iba relocation ng ibang bahay, ibang lugar, ibang trabaho. So, inisip mo ngayon, worth it ba na magkakaroon ka ng opportunity to work or to go to other places pero meron kang maiiwan na mga taong malalapit sa'yo. So, let's see your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Virgo? You have the Ten of Wands and the Ten of Cups. So, kung ano man yung mga responsibilities mo sa family mo, mga obligasyon mo, kayang-kaya mo siyang i-handle. Oo. Maaring nabigyan ka ng maraming responsibilities because you are the one na pinaka malakas, capable sa family ninyo, and you're someone who is more blessed than the others. So, you have the opportunity to help your family, to fulfill your goals and dreams, especially involving your family. Maari ring merong mga kailangan ka ring ayusin sa bahay. Oo. But I also see someone helping you out, Pwedeng merong tutulong sa'yo from your family na bawasan yung burden na dinadala mo, yung obligations na dinadala mo. What is your blessing? You have the Page of Swords and the Six of Cups. Okay, merong energy from the past na magre-reach out sa'yo. Maaring ano to, very important na connection na ngayong present moment is tutulong sa'yo to fulfill your goals, your dreams. Ito yung tipong dati mong katrabaho or someone na dati mong naka-business partner or nakasama sa project na maaring magbibigay sa'yo ngayon ng guidance or tutulong ulit sa'yo to make things happen for you. So, some of you naman, meron ditong magre-reach out, energy from the past person, romantic connection, na hindi niya hindi niya kayang makapag-move on. Or ito yung tipong nagkaroon na kayo ng kanya-kanya yung mga ganap sa buhay, pero itong taong to is still thinking about you, thinking about your whereabouts, kung kumusta ka na, ano na yung ginagawa mo. So, pwedeng hindi mo to inaasahan. Pwede ring bigla kayong magkikita ng random, tipong nasa same coffee shop pala kayo, or you will bump into each other nasa mall or sa vacation spot, doon kung saan ka nagbabakasyon, maaring doon mo yan makikita. Uy, nandito ka pala sa Boracay, yung mga ganun. Oh my God, look at that, Virgo. Sabi rito, take a chance on them. Meron kang bibigyan ulit ng pagkakataon na bumalik sa buhay mo. Pwede itong romantic partner, pwedeng, estranged na kapatid, anak, parent, no? Or someone, kaibigan, na nagkaroon kayo ng falling out in the past. And then you realize na, it is worth it na bigyan ng chance yung connection ninyo, yung relationship ninyo. And maaari ring merong mga tao na may mga suggestions or gustong itulong sa'yo, payo na gustong ibigay sa'yo na dati hindi mo tinatanggap. And ngayon you will realize na, why not? Bakit hindi ko subukan? Bigyan natin ng chance na sundan or sundin yung pinapayo nila. Mga ganon. Okay? So, I think it's going to be more, ngayong week na to, medyo adventurous yung energy for you. And also, connecting sa tao from the past. Oo. People from the past. Or, isang idea from the past na hindi mo sinubukan. And ngayon, bumabalik ulit as a blessing sa'yo. So, pwedeng business idea or a project or trabaho na hindi mo pinurso before. So, ngayon, it's all coming back. So, nasa sa'yo yan kung bibigyan mo ng chance. So, that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.